Can artificial intelligence actually build an entire online business from scratch? Yes, and I'll show you how, step by step, using 100% free AI tools. Let's build a business in minutes, not months. 1. Sell digital products like Notion templates. 2. Start a newsletter powered by AI. Offer AI content creation as a service. We're going with #1, a digital product store. Next, let's brand it. Using Canva's magic design, I gave it a name, Focus Flow Templates. And it created a full logo, brand colors, and even a social media kit. No design skills needed. Now we need a website. I used Durable.kio. It built a full website with images and copy in under 60 seconds. You just enter your business type and let AI handle the rest. Let's create some actual products. I used ChatGPT to generate productivity templates and Notion AI to clean up the formatting and turn them into downloadable files. You now have a digital product to sell. Finally, you need marketing. Pictory turns our product descriptions into professional promo videos. Add stock footage, voiceovers, and boom, you're ready for Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. In just 5 steps, we used AI to build a full-blown business. Idea, branding, website, product, and marketing, all free. Want more videos like this? Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what business you'd build with AI.